So why can you not send pictures in a Messenger on your Android phone? Let me explain it. And if it's your first time in here, subscribe and we can get into it. So essentially, you need to at first look up the Messenger app on the Play Store. So if you don't have it, make sure you install it, obviously, but still look it up in here to see if there isn't any update available. Because sometimes it might happen that you are not running the latest version of such app, like for example, the Messenger, and there are some new features or bug fixes which you are missing out on simply because you don't have the latest version. So I think it's always a good idea to check it out in here and just get the latest version of any app that you are trying to fix. But outside of that, I would also check out the settings app where you can manage the apps individually. So come back to the main settings mode like so, and find the apps section. So part of the apps, you'll be able to browse every single app, whether it's built in or a third-party one. So in our case, we want to get to the Messenger, and there we want to manage the permissions, and we want to make sure that the Messenger app has access to photos. So scroll through the alphabetically ordered list of apps. So I'm going to get to Messenger, and a part of the permissions, you'll be able to allow the camera as well as the photos and videos access. So just tap on photos and videos and make sure that you always allow all. And you can also do the same thing for the camera. So the next time you want to share photos and videos through Messenger, you are sure that the app can actually access your built-in gallery and send the photos there. So that's something you can do to make sure it will work. Let me know in the comments below if we manage to fix it. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.